And for today's video, I'm gonna share what I do to stop postpartum hair loss.
You can call me Queen Bee.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Blanca. I hope you're having a wonderful day or night. And for today's video, I'm gonna share what I do to stop postpartum hair loss. As you guys know, I gave birth 6 months ago, and in the beginning my fur was good, but after like 2 or 3 months, I started seeing my hair falling, like a lot of my hair. I will go like this and you will see like a lot of hair. And I'm excited to now finally make this video and share what I did and what I continue doing to stop my hair from falling. All right, so the first thing I do every morning is I drink a lot of water. I think I drink maybe up to 5 bottles. So drinking lots of water, it helps a lot. Believe it or not, it helps a lot. Of course, I do drink here and there, like Sprite or juice and things like that, but my main thing is drinking water. The next thing I do is I stopped taking my prenatal vitamins because I figured I wasn't breastfeeding. I stopped breastfeeding at 2 months, when she was 2 months, baby Mila was 2 months, and I stopped taking my prenatal vitamins. So now, ever since then, I've been taking these vitamins, and it's for hair, skin, and nails. And these ones, I believe I found them at Jewel Osco, and this has biotin on it, and that's what you want. And of course, I did a lot of research, and you need biotin in your hair, especially because if you're breastfeeding, all the minerals and everything, it's taken away from you, so you need extra. The next thing I take is biotin. So I take, and I'm gonna show you because I'm gonna do it now. So let me open this. This is 3. So it's, oops, one fell off. It's okay, I'll pick it up after. So there are 3. They're like a pink pearl. That's what I do. And then I take one of this, and this is after I eat. So it's that's what I do. And then I drink my water. I just love water, and that's all I do. The next thing I do is, hold on, my baby Mila is crying, so hold on. All right, I'm back. So baby Mila was a little fussy, but she's good now. All right, so the next thing I like to do is when I wash my hair, I use this kind of shampoo, and it also has biotin and collagen. So I use conditioner and shampoo, and this is really good because it's for thick and full. So I've been using this. I don't know. This is gonna be almost 3 years since I started using this shampoo. Of course, I have different shampoos that I like to switch, but my main one is this. And this one we get it at Jewel, but I'm sure you can find it at Target, Walmart, because we used to get it at Target too. All right, so that's what I do. And then the next thing I do is after I get out of the shower, I like to wrap my hair in my husband's white t-shirt because it keeps my hair nice and moisturized, and it doesn't get frizzy. And then the next thing I like to do after that, I take the shirt off, and then I like to use this leave-in condition, and this is with coconut oil and it's like this. And these ones I got at Jewel too. Pretty much I get everything at Jewel because that's where we shop for right now. But yes, so, and then this is how my hair, I just let my hair air dry. I don't use any air dry or anything. I try not to put my hair up because so my hair doesn't fall. I like to braid it so that way like my hair is not everywhere. But yeah, but when I go to sleep, this is how I go to sleep. Just like let my hair. But as you guys see my hair is starting to grow. And my hair used to like, and then I do have like, I don't know if you guys see it, but I do have like some like bald spots, but that's just normal. It happened with Gianna too. But yes, but that's what I do. But the main thing, and of course I'm starting to eat healthy. I eat a lot of chicken, a lot of meat, a lot of seafood, a lot of fruits and vegetables. So but yes, but I just wanted to share what I do to stop my postpartum hair loss. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys try this, because look, before, and I'm gonna see if I can have a video, because I tried to do a video, but it was so depressing, stress, especially because I would go like this and I would see like a lot of hair, and now my hair doesn't fall anymore. So but I will show you a little clip, if I found a clip right here, how my hair used to fall so much. But oh, and another thing, don't stress, your hair will come back. One thing I learned is do not cut your hair, because with my first child, I was so stressed and I decided to cut my hair, and I cut my hair up to here, thinking that was gonna be the problem, but no. But all right, so enough of my talking, but have a wonderful day or night. Stay safe and healthy, positive vibes, and I'll see you until my next video. Bye. Much love to everyone, and I hope this video helped you with postpartum hair loss. Bye bye. And here are the 3 shout outs. So I just want to share that this is how much my hair falls now, but before, think about this like 20 times this the before. So it's definitely helping. But thank you for the love and support. Much love to everyone.